너무 맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hello everybody, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will make this tofu soup. Do you know this tofu is very soft tofu? You know, it's a Korean name 순두부. Do you know? So this is very delicious and very spicy, and we like so much this. This tofu soup. Yes, and then now I will introduce the ingredients. This tofu and 1 egg and green onion, and then if you like some little bit hot spicy, and then green this paprika and the garlic and red pepper and the salt and oil. You know, first we fry the oil, and then first we fried this green onion, hot oil, in the hot oil, fried, and this smell is amazing. With this oil, we cooking, Thank you very much. From now, I will start. First, I put cooking oil, and we put this sesame oil, little bit sesame oil. Little bit wait, and then first put this green onion, and little bit wait. Start boil. Yes, you can hear start very boil. It's nice smell. This green onion fried, very nice smell. This we Korea traditional this bowl. And then now we put a little bit this 2 spoon. Yes, we put this like this paprika, red pepper. Okay. I put this garlic and fry. Amazing, this, yes, we put the water, yes, this much. If this very much long time this doing, and the red paper will be very much burnt out, it's no good. Put a little bit salt. It's very simple, already did, huh? We put here this very soft tofu. Wow, very nice, amazing, huh? Amazing. And normally inside this tofu a little bit cold, so we little bit like this. Wow, really amazing. Ooh, really nice. You see, this inside the tofu inside a little bit cold, When I doing after boil, a little bit stopped, We put 1 egg. Wow, really amazing. This normally this is very, very hot. Long time, very, very hot. This pot. Yes, I don't know. Pottery, And then now we put this little bit this green onion, green paprika, yes. Ready? Wow, still boiled. It's Korea, this traditional, this soft tofu. Do you know? Still boiled. This Korea, this is pot, is a traditional pot. You can keep very long time warm. We take out from gas, still boiled. It's amazing. Wow. Yes, very nice. Wow. Yes. Amazing. Really, really nice. Yes, we eating like this, Korean people. put here. Wow. Wow. Nice. Wow, we put now I put this egg and then mix and eat it. Amazing. Wow.